Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 2, Lesson 23. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about being able to solve missing number word problems using different strategies. So, today we have our word problem, and you know that we read the word problem 3 times. On the third time, we're going to do cubes. We're going to do the read, write, draw, where we read it and do cubes. Then we're going to write about our number sentence. Then we're going to draw our whole circle and label the part that we know. Then we're going to count and label our leftovers. And then we will also do our related subtraction sent to the bottom. So let's get started. Some new baby ducks hatched at the farm. There were 5 ducks on the farm, and now there are 12 ducks. How many new baby ducks were hatched? Some new baby ducks hatched at the farm. There were 5 ducks at the farm. Now there are 12 ducks. How many new baby ducks were hatched? Now I'm going to read it again. This time I'm going to do cubes as I'm reading it. Some new baby ducks hatched at the farm. There were 5 ducks on the farm, and now there are 12 ducks. How many new baby ducks were hatched? So I circled 5 and 12, underlined the question, how many new baby ducks were hatched? Boxed in some. New baby ducks, ducks, and then ducks again. Now we're going to have to do our number bond. Okay, $1,000,000 question. Does the word problem tell us the whole? Yes, it does tell us the whole. It tells us 12, so I'm going to put a little W by the 12, put it inside my number bond. And I'm also going to put an label it with an N for now. So now there are 12 ducks on the farm. So now we have to do our parts. Well, we know that there were 5 ducks on the farm. So we know they were. So I'll put a W for were. That was how many were on the farm. But we don't know the some baby ducks on the farm. We don't know that. That's our mystery. We have to figure that out. So now let's do our addition number sentence. So now our addition number sentence is our part plus our other parts equals our whole. So let's do that. So we know that our part that we know is 5 plus we don't know how many baby ducks, so we don't know this mystery part, equals 12, which is our whole. Now let's have our related subtraction fact. We know whenever we're subtracting it, we know it's our whole minus our part equals our other part. So we know our whole is 12 minus 5 that we knew equals our mystery box. We don't know this part just yet. Now we have to draw. So we're going to draw our whole, which we know is 12. So remember, we're going to do it all in one row. We're just going to, for every 5, we're going to leave a space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, space, 11, 12. Okay, now we're going to start with the part we know, which is 5, and we're going to label it. We know this how many ducks were on the farm, so put a W for were. Now we have to count how many are left over. We're going to label this. These are how many were baby ducks that hatched. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know there were 7 baby ducks that hatched on the farm. So that means that 5 plus 7 equals 12. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.